Hello teachers, I'm Victoria Carlton and I work with children who have specific learning needs. I work with them every day and I also train teachers in Jolly Phonics, Jolly Grammar and STAR, Students at Risk. I want to share with you two really simple strategies today for helping with spelling, helping with phonics and helping with handwriting as well. I didn't invent these two strategies. I actually picked them up like a magpie, like this is what teachers do. We pick up ideas from all over the place and then we use them and we often change them around. So I'm just going to show you how these work. They're so simple, so easy, and I'm sure that you are probably using one of them, you're probably using it and calling it rainbow letters. But let me just show you what I do with this. Okay. So I find a word, if I find a word that children are having difficulty with spelling, or if they can't form particular letters, something that they can't do, all right, I will often write it in pencil. Sometimes they will write it. But what I ask them to do is then to choose 3 colours. And I call this triple letters. So, and that's what the kids call it. They don't call it rainbow letters. They could, but I call it triple letters because I want them to just get 3 colours that they really like, and I want them to trace over the word with 3 colours. All right, so they trace over the word with 1 colour, then they pick another colour, okay, and then they pick another colour as well. So it actually looks quite pretty at the end. The kids quite like the result. Now, we do that regularly, but I also use a different strategy called beaded letters. All right. So if I had the word they, all right, I'm deliberately picking some of the tricky words that children have. What I do is I'll draw it in pencil for them if they're having problems with that word. And then I get them to draw little beads all the way down the letters. All right. Sometimes I might even put an arrow to show them which way to go. This is not very neat because I'm not terribly good at drawing with the mouse. Okay. So they draw little beads all the way over their letters. And then after they've finished, I ask them to go back and to find a colour. All right. And then to colour in their little beads as well. Now, apart from the fact that this gives you time to go and see some other students while they're doing that, they're getting really good practice and they're going over the letters 2 times. And obviously it's helping their visual memory as well. So they're just 2 very, very simple strategies. All right. It's just triple, all right, beaded letters. And you know, it's interesting. I've been using this for over 20 years, and the kids are never sick of it. Whenever I say, well, we're going to use triple letters today, or we're going to use beaded letters, the kids always like it because it sort of beats just copying the words down. So try those out and let me know how you go with them. I'm sure your kids will enjoy them. Thank you. Bye.
For more of Victoria Carlton's tips, go to YouTube and search Victoria Carlton Programs. Victoria's products are available on Teachers Pay Teachers. They cover literacy, emotional intelligence, and Sunday school lessons. Victoria's website address, blog, and email address are on the screen in front of you. Victoria Carlton reserves the right of copyright on all her products.